very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is power of stillness, practicing action in inaction. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age propelled by urgency, restlessness and relentless motion, stillness is often mistaken for passivity. Yet the deeper truths of ancient wisdom reveal a powerful paradox. Stillness is not absence, but presence in its highest state. It is the ground of awakened awareness from which the most meaningful action emerges. As the revered Bhagavad Gita proclaims, he who sees inaction in action and action in inaction is wise among men. This principle is mirrored across traditions and cosmic archetypes. In the Indian spiritual context, Lord Shiva, seated in meditative stillness atop Mount Kailash, stands as the timeless embodiment of equilibrium, where absolute stillness upholds absolute power. From such sacred stillness, the cosmos itself is sustained and transformed. Stillness is not withdrawal, it is convergence. It is the inner chamber where the fragmented self dissolves and the higher self awakens. In that space, thought becomes refined, vision becomes clear, and action becomes righteous. It is through this sacred stillness that human consciousness begins to resonate with the cosmic intelligence, receiving direction not from impulse but from insight. Throughout history, the most enduring actions have risen not from haste but from profound silence. It was not noise but the divine stillness of Lord Krishna's presence on the battlefield of Kurukshetra that transformed Arjuna's despair into purposeful action. That sacred dialogue, recorded eternally in the Bhagavad Gita, reflects the cosmic design. When one surrenders inner chaos to higher wisdom, clarity unfolds and action becomes an instrument of dharma. Yet, in today's world, motion is often mistaken for progress. In the race to respond, many lose the inner rhythm that connects them to life's deeper truths. Personal dilemmas, societal crises, and emotional upheavals often demand not more effort but more attunement. It is through inner stillness that one can consciously tune into the divine matrix, present their challenges in humility, and receive not only answers but an empowered state of being. Stillness thus becomes a sacred interface where the limited individual consciousness meets the infinite intelligence of the universe. In this convergence, a higher orchestration begins. One gains not only strength and direction, but also the grace to act with courage, compassion, and clarity. What's the way forward? To cultivate stillness is not to escape the world, but to engage with it more meaningfully, establishing a practice of inner quietude through meditation, sacred reflection, or contemplative silence creates a sanctuary where the divine voice can be heard. From this sanctum, action arises not as reaction but as revelation. Such action, born from cosmic resonance, carries a purity of purpose and a power of impact. While stillness transforms the individual internally, the actions conceived within it resonate outward, bringing harmony, healing, and upliftment to the world beyond the self. It becomes a bridge between the human will and divine intention, ensuring that whatever flows from it contributes to the greater good. When guided by this sacred stillness, mirrored in the tranquil strength of Lord Shiva and activated through the cosmic guidance of Lord Krishna, the journey becomes not just successful but significant. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, stillness is not the end of movement. It is its sanctification. It is the cradle of wisdom where divine intelligence breathes into human purpose. In the stillness of the enlightened heart, the universe listens and responds, and in the grace of that exchange, life begins to flow in harmony with a higher order. As the Bhagavad Gita assures with timeless reverence, wherever there is Lord Krishna, the master of yoga, and Arjuna, the devoted archer, there will be righteousness, prosperity, victory, and lasting wisdom. This is not merely a historical proclamation. It is an eternal assurance for every soul. When stillness is embraced and action is rooted in that sacred stillness, the forces of the cosmos align in support. In that alignment, every individual becomes a conscious co-creator, uplifted, guided, and empowered to rise with clarity, act with reverence, and serve with compassion. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.